Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can make your body look slimmer in your videos on CapCut PC. Of course, she doesn't need this or anyone, but this is just if you want to. I sometimes do it, so this is just again if you want to do it in CapCut PC. So let's go to the enhance button right here. Scroll down until you find body. You're going to enable it, then I'm going to press allow. There's some pro features here, but there's some also free ones. Legs kind of make you look taller. Body's just making your body like thinner, as well as waist. Here, as you can see, you can also just like modify your waist here and just make yourself look taller, for instance. And that's pretty much how you can make your body look slimmer in CapCut PC. Of course, she doesn't need it, or anyone, but this is just if you want to and you're looking for a tutorial on how to do it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!